See it built before dark at least.
Well, I don't know now, these men do maybe much tea and sandwiches, but I would hope they'll be doing a better job. Now, you said there would be some boys who are half the ring, and there's a lot of Glen's Vintage Club members would claim to know a lot about Ferguson. You said these men were experts. I think they do a better job than us, aren't we, honestly?
Well, there you are now. If there's any enthusiasts there, you're very welcome, and definitely don't be backward at throwing your hat in the ring here for another run at this year. And we have Arthur here as well, and Arthur's not short of a comment either. What is your view on all of this here, Arthur?
I would probably, most boys know, probably done more internationals than Fergie, but I have worked at both of them. Whenever you mentioned Dave there as a way that build red rocks and stuff out there.
1 minute away, by
I think I could do him some days too, because I get phone calls at odd hours.
Dear.
This thing is supposed to be over 100 bits, you know, and it always baffles me how these boys can get the right bolts in the right place, all that. But one way that you should think about this here is Ferguson himself. He was a very smart boy, you know. He made a spanner that had only 2 different sizes on it, and all the bolts around the Fergie tractor were fitted up. It had a measuring stick on it as well. The spanner had inch markings on it. You could dip your diesel tank in the morning before you started with it, or you could set your plough with the measurements as well as the work went on or whatever. And I even seen boys using it as a hammer. It doubled up for a lot of jobs.
What's that?
So I'd say you step you back to home again, you can do anything.
Well, thank you very much, Diane. 2 minutes away, there you are. The Ferguson planner. That's important. The guy at the back here exactly is the fellow that they really depend on to throw these heavy accessories on the back. But every man is important at his own end. I'm not too sure. I do see the engine and part of the gearbox and maybe the back end there is assembled at this minute. So we're getting on pretty well. Certainly if you went into a forecourt and saw a tractor lying around, they got there and the salesman guy told you to hang on, and he would have it ready for you in 15 minutes or so. You'll be inclined to walk on and think that his head was a stay, but of course the people there who work at mechanic and engineering would know that you would need joints and all the rest of it. 3 minutes away, 3 minutes away. So those are a few of the things there. Don't come to me afterwards and say, well, you didn't do that and didn't do that, but tomorrow we are back in Uri, or Warren Point really, and we don't put any oil in the back end either, for sometimes we're in car parks and sometimes we're in all sorts of places, and when you pull the bung out and there's oil running around the place, people are not all that keen on you, and that is why that we don't put the oil into the back end. But we do put the water in the engine, and the engine runs. Here you are, Noel, and I'll keep the time here now.
As you can see here now, ladies and gentlemen, what I can just about see over the top of the crowd here, we have every man has his own specific job. We have one man at the front, one in the middle, and maybe one at the back there. 4 minutes time then, 4 minutes. We now have gearbox and half shafts and front axle, radiator on. There we're coming with hydraulic lift there now. Now, it's very easy to stand here and talk about this and done, but being in that ring there and throwing these things together with the crowd around you, it's no easy task. There was actually a man came up to me here earlier on and says, what team is this? He says, is this the specialist? Well, I says, I don't know if they're specialists or not, but as far as I'm concerned, they are specialists. I says, because I couldn't do it in this time, and I know a lot about Ferguson, that's all I have. Now here we're going for the steering turn here and the wheel and the dash, that's all been set on as a unit, while there's now a couple of men working the hydraulics in the back end. Keep an eye here what's going on, because as you'll see yourself, before one man puts out his hand, there's another man with the part ready to go, or there's another man puts out his hand and he knows the nuts is in place. These men have practiced this year now. 5 minutes away, boys, 5 minutes away. Come on, we're looking for, we've turned you out the only good day in the week. We've turned you out a crowd. Come on, crowd, you better support. I can't hear any cheering down here. Come on, you better support. Come on, we're looking for under 10 minutes here if it's possible. Hello, now we've fed them, we've watered them, we've done something's got in the crowd. We need a bit of support from the crowd. Come on, all right, cheer. Come on, we're nearly there. We're nearly there. I'll hand you over to Arthur here now a wee minute, and then we'll give you back now.
Okay, most them boys have covered all the things that I was going to say, and I actually read my note there. But no, this must be appreciated, the way these boys, this is all very precision.
Went under the jag. You know what I mean? Tell him I went under the jag.
Most people will tell you never put it on.
Yeah, not, it's under the jag.
You never find it. These boys have ever me. It looks very handy.
Jack's leaking. Jack's leaking. Fucking down.
These boys do that on a regular basis. Not everybody can be there. And an extra man, so boys sort of expected to step up to the mark and just be the same as the boys that were there. I think it's quite an achievement to do that. So I'll hand you back to home again.
Okay, well, the 6 minutes has gone. Guys, you're right. If someone was asking me, are these the experts? We have been at it for quite some time. We introduced it in Donegal. The Donegal team that exists now are part of our Project Zero and down there, and they raised a team of their own. And the Galway team that participates in the competition work now, we went down there and we introduced it there in 7 minutes fight. And we have been in the ring where there have been 3 tractors being built, and we're proud to say that we have been up there with the rest. But all we could ever get out of that there was a photograph in a glossy magazine. And whilst the photograph in the glossy magazine is grand, it's the £2 home with you for the charity, and that's the all important part of it. And that's the end that we strive for here. Come and have a bit of banter with you guys here, and someplace else maybe tomorrow and next weekend and whatever, and having a few pounds home for the charity. That's the all important thing. But certainly, when we're coming here this morning, we saw there was a road race on, guys participating, and they seem to be heading up to the top of the mountain up there. And I can tell you, you need to be well fitting that yourself for that. By the way, that's 7, did I say 7 minutes away? 7? It'll be a shock, lads, to tell you that it's 8 minutes away. 8 minutes. We just didn't throw an extra minute in there just for no good reason. But I was saying, when we were coming down, we were held up for a wee while when the road race was on. I could see the boys looking up at the peak of the mountain. Is that it up there? I think I can see people moving on it there. And at the end of a hard fought road race, and take a look at the top of that peak up there, to achieve that there, you really need to be well at yourself. So 9 minutes now, my watch is in a real hurry now, but it's 9 minutes. 9 minutes to see the mudgers are on here, so maybe it's starting to take place and the fuel tank's on, and there's a guy looking about a wheel. So maybe that's no bad thing there. It's important to get the wheels on, and the both mudgers are on the arc. And I would imagine once you see the bonnet put on here now, it'll start to take shape. So 9.5 minutes.
Hello, Jack. Jack's busted.
Well, the jack is brand new. Brand new.
Always a feeling.
Noise on that. Brand new, out of the box there this morning.
Easy, 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 easy. Easy.
Leave that wheel there and get the rest of our together then. I mean, if the check worked. It was a brand new check and axle stand that I got there this morning, or yesterday, to have. They always told me when you have a thing of your own, you can push when you like. So I'm not too sure whether that holds up or not. How far are you away from it?
No, you get the ball with your left hand.
Aye. Probably you can left.
Sometimes for the rest of it, then we get everything else on except for the one seat, and we will take it that it's as good as done. It'll be strong man wanted, no jack kept. I just held on another 10 minutes or so, John, to make it the wheel on.
Wheel left there. That's that there. That's right here. Right.
There you are now, that's very disappointing, isn't it? Look that way. Okay. Is she there ready to go with me?
Yeah.
Is the rest of her in place?
Hello, Jack.
I know they are. There you are.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, they're just coming in here. It's terribly disappointing for these men who have travelled all these distances to get this done for us. As far as they're concerned, this is a complete failure. I think you should agree with me and saying that this is a complete success. We don't need the wheels in the back, we're happy. We're going to hear the big note here in a minute or two. When we hear the big note, we're going to hold it, so we're going to hear a big cheer. It's very disappointing for these men for after the work they've had in the night, but we're about to hear a note here now. I think we've got fuel and water, batteries in, connected bonnet, so on. We're going to hear a note here in a few seconds. All been well. Last minute, I can smell the fuel from up here, so there's definitely fuel in it. Talking on about very wrong here. I see a man standing down here, a number to something, looking at me. And I say he's done very wrong. You're talking, that man there somewhere is something where's the rest? They carry that number. Here we are now. Sitting here, if the wheels was on, they'd have pushed the cord to give her a wee push. A wee part to get her to go.
Well, thank you very much indeed.